Hi guys. So today we are at Otterton Mill. And we've been here before and we decided that we need to come back because it's been at least a year, and we're going to do one walk which is kind of more, I don't know, farmlandy, woodlandy along the river, and then once we've done that half we're going to go back towards Budleigh Salterton and see what wildlife we can pick up along the way. Me and Stu have been on this walk quite a few times, but it never fails to amaze me how beautiful it is around here. Just been stood by the river watching like countless bright blue, like kind of cobalt blue damselflies. They're so pretty. Absolutely love dragonflies and damselflies. Now I managed to get some nice photos of them, so I will input them here. We've just seen not one but 2 otters in the river, and it's the middle of the day, so we're well impressed. I haven't managed to get any photos of it because they were like using the river like a rapid and swam about 10 meters in about 2 seconds, but we're going to try and hunt them down and get some photos, so fingers crossed. Yeah, Steph's in the vlog! Whee! We're just saying, like, me and Stu came here last year and we saw, well, I saw my first ever wild otter in the same part of the river, so it might be the same ones, you never know. But it's the first time Steph's ever seen a wild otter.
Yes, first wild otters. Woo.
We saw loads of toads last night. So we're saying, what are we going to see next? What's going to be next? I was like, wolves!
Or a baby fox.
Yeah, a baby fox would be good, and a kingfisher.
A badger would be nice.
Badger. But when we go down the other side of the river, we are likely to see a kingfisher and like other birds. I'm not sure if it's the right time of year for Canadian geese, but there might be some of those, and herons and egrets and all things waterfowl. So should be a wildlife rich video today. Steph's always on the hunt for some kind of animal, always crawling around in the bush. We just saw a kingfisher. Just flew down the river, so I think we're heading down that way now, so hopefully we'll actually see one perched somewhere and be able to get some footage or a photograph of it.
That's also Steph's first one in the UK too.
Yeah, Steph!
All of the first today.
So last time me and Stu came here, I think it must have been autumn, winter time, because there was like far less greenery everywhere. But we actually saw field signs of beavers, because we know the beavers are here, we just haven't physically seen the animal itself yet. But we have seen like gnawed trees. We had a change of plan because the heavens opened and we didn't fancy walking a 2.5 mile walk from Otterton to Budleigh Salterton. So we've driven down the road for 7 minutes and parked up at the Budleigh Salterton car park instead, and we're just going to walk along the river from this direction basically. But it's the same walk, it's just we're not going to go all the way back to Otterton because it's raining and I don't really want to get soaked. So we've got our rain gear on. We're just going to do this bit with all the estuary, and hopefully we'll see some lovely waterfowl and some other cool birds. So already, we've only been walking for a couple of minutes and we can hear lots of oystercatchers, which are kind of foraging seabirds, and we can see an egret off in the distance. I don't think the zoom on my camera that I've brought with me today is going to be enough to get a photo of that one. Thanks, Steph. Ooh, bush! Hawthorne Heights! So yeah, already 2 nice estuary-based wetland species so far. So last time we came here, we saw a kingfisher just over there.
This is really rare for South Devon, but would you believe it? We actually have a couple of ospreys.
We finished our walk and we're back in the car ready to go home, but we saw loads of species today, so guys help me out here. We saw damselflies, otters, kingfisher, magpies, pigeons,
Loads of butterflies,
oystercatchers, butterflies, shell ducks, swans, mallards, buzzards,
nuthatch,
pheasants, nuthatch,
them little kill beetles,
bloody nose beetles, ladybird,
small fish,
small fish, unidentified. Is that it?
I think that's not bad. Tadpoles,
Oh, an egret, tadpoles,
morphing into frogs.
oystercatchers, I don't know if I already said that. Thousands of oystercatchers and like loads of other invertebrates, so it's a really successful day out. But now it's time to go home and have a cup of tea and warm up because we're all damp. So make sure to like, subscribe and give us a comment if you enjoyed this. And if you're interested in any of the equipment that we use, I will link them all in the description below, like our camera equipment and our binoculars and whatnot. And I'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.